Hello, you are welcome back. Finally, you've made it to the last video, last lesson in this intermediate course, SPSS. Alright, so this is still my name and company name. You can contact us here. Alright, so uh, back to business. Done correlation and regression. And, okay, so copy and export. But to present your results this time around, I'm not going to delete this. I'm not going to cancel this, at least not yet. So I'm interested in bringing the results into Microsoft Word. How do you do that? So while I open my Word, how do you do that? So now before I also do that, let me just add more analysis. Come to analyze descriptives, frequencies, try to make it as real as possible. Patient. Okay. Uh, okay, let me add charts. Bar charts. There's some pages. Continue. And okay. Alright. So at least we have a few description for the then in case you forgot double click to edit and of course double click here to you can oh, okay, so I double click on the borders, so let me see view and border variables, close this here, so here I double click on the bars so I can actually change some things, fill and border. So for the fill I want, okay, let me just change for a few ones. For this guy, because it's the tallest, I'm going to give him red and apply. I'm going to give the shortest students. Let's give them this. Orange is youth. So, right. Okay, secondly, this guy. It's not a separate. Okay, let me give them this. Right. Okay. So I can give them values. Oh, sorry, I want to take all of them. Yeah, so give them our values. 60% more. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Alright. So now I've made all this here. I've made all this here. I have charts, I have tables. Now to copy my table is quite easy. You do Control C, copied, then go to Microsoft Word, and then write results of analysis. Alright. And Control V to paste. It's quite easy to do that. Very, very easy. So I can select more than one. Hold down your control after clicking the first one. Click the second. So let me scroll up. You can see they are both highlighted. Click another, Control C, and go to your word, Control V. You have them all there. It's that simple. The same thing with graphs. You can click on the graph, Control C, Control V. Alright. Now, another easy way to do is come to File. Now, it depends if you are exporting as if you're using okay, exporting as a web report, use this and SPSS web, blah blah blah. You can try this and see Let me just, no, I don't want to. You can try it and see how it comes out. It comes out like an HTML file. If you like it, then file, come to export here. This is my favorite. And here, objects to export. Like asking should you export all or just all visible or the ones I've selected. I usually take all visible. Why? Because if I don't, it picks some background activities and exports it, and they are not relevant to me. So, um, file name, okay. So file type, because I've used this over and over, it's in Word. So file type, I could say web report like that one, portable documents. Do I want my results in PDF? Do I want in PowerPoint? Then maybe non-graphics maybe, and so on, an Excel format, HTML, and so on. So I'm always using the Word format so I can this doc, so I can what was it called? Edit it. So I can edit. So okay, then I can check open the container folder. That's where it's going to save it. Where to save it into the folder it should be opened after saving. Then okay, save into export file. Yeah, now here I have my output. Yeah. So now this is everything I have done so far. You can see fine graphics here. It can be expanded, you can do your editing, and so on. So this is a simple way anyone is convenient for you. Just because this method contains some tables you might not need, some analysis you might not need, it just brings out everything. So you might prefer to copy and paste, like this is not needed at all. Then you can just prefer to copy and paste. So this is how to report your not to save. I'm expecting to have yours in my email through WhatsApp as feedback, and I'm so happy to hear from you. Thank you very much, and keep in contact. I will keep updating you for more advanced trainings, further trainings, Power BI, uh, further even SPSS trainings, R, Python, Excel, and so on, Starter, Info, and GraphPad Prism. And we are available to train your staffs, your colleagues, yourself, or so in anticipation of you. And what will make me more happy is to see you practice. My emails are open, my WhatsApp numbers are open. Thank you for trusting in us. And I hope you enjoy it. We welcome every feedback. Follow us on our social media pages. On Instagram and Twitter, it's Quiver Analytics. On Facebook, it's still our former M6 stats, but we will change it very soon. Thank you very much. God bless.